I wanna see the shining stars. I wanna see the blooming flowers. I wanna feel the blowing breeze when it tickles the dancing trees. I wanna listen to singing birds like a toddler's sweetening words. I wanna touch the rainy drop soaking into the weeds crop. That's why I do love the peace. Every of war I wish to seize, just because in clouds of smoke, when earth wears the fire's cloak, stars can't shine, flowers can't bloom, breeze can't blow and have its boom. The birds can't sing, the trees can't dance. For life to live, there is no chance. So I do hate the smell of gunpowder. Don't make world the hell of gunpowder. So please stop bloodshed, stop every war. A chance to the peace. Please one more, please one more.